There's a man at a desk with a camera, scissors, construction paper, markers, glue, an eraser, and a phone. That's me. Oh, that's me.
Bassina Maker.
Watch me start a revolution off. Watch me break down your bum, smoke it up and cough. Watch me rush the cops with a bandana and a Molotov. Watch me, it's time to tear the system down. Already whining cause you wanna keep your crown. Change is coming near, no more fear. Take back these countries, these cities and these towns. Demand equality for women and end the class of racism. Justice, are you really down to make some change? To rearrange, it's not so strange. This shit is in our range. Trade me some death for some happiness. Rob the best and give it to the deranged. Pained exchanges, you got us working for some bullshit wages. I'm not paying no more rent for these cages. This is the moment in which revolution engages. It's time to set it off, it's time for war to wage. It's time to start a new age. Watch me, watch me, watch me start a revolution off. Watch me break down your bum, smoke it up and cough. Watch me rush the cops with a bandana and a Molotov. Watch me, your concessions are just a joke. We learned a lesson when you try to get us with your coke. That's right, Stag, burn. We learn. Soon your Patriot Act will provoke. Where there's fire, there's smoke. Where there's a happy rich person, somebody poor getting choked. Where there's assassination and covert ops, you gon' find the CIA running dope. How can there be hope? No end, it begins in the road. Comrade, I see a fork. It's time to turn this wheel of time. We just need some more torque. Can we fight ourselves in this endless sea as we bomb so endlessly like the cork? If it had been brought by the stork, would you even listen to the truth? I'm not so sure. Watch me, watch me, watch me start a revolution off. Watch me break down your bum, smoke it up and cough. Watch me rush the cops with a bandana and a Molotov. Watch me, we need way more passion and better leaders. The ones we got are old-fashioned and greedy. Revolution in the streets, solutions is what we seek. Collusion with the righteous ones. It's an illusion that we won't need a gun. We'll use anything we can find to fight this. We're on a mission to right this, on a path of righteousness. You're not on the ground unless you're free. You'll never be down till you get political, see? Words trapped in time, every syllable written to oppose capitalism and its lying. Meritocracy is a joke to me. No equality for women, people of color, and the children of poverty.